OMS is a facility maintenance company. We provide all the trades services across Australia, so from cleaning through to electrical, plumbing, roller doors, pests, so all the different trades. We provide a management service of all those trades to our commercial customers. We're located over in Brisbane at Albion. That's our head office. However, all our services are provided across Australia. I love the business because we talk to people every day. We're here to help these companies provide a maintenance service to the company. We have a lot of different contractors that we work with, and be able to have a one-stop shop has been a real great appreciation of our customers that they can save time by using our company. The right fit person for our business would be someone that's personable to the customer, understands what they need and find a solution. So that really is the essence of providing good service, to identify that, and then time management to be able to organise all the different trades to meet the needs that they have. A lot of misconceptions are that, as a management service, they're paying a margin on top of already a trade margin. And we explain to them that all our contractors appreciate the work that we provide to them, so they actually give us a sub-retail price. By that discount, our management fee goes to that, which is therefore competing against the other competitors in the same market. My advice for people to get into this business, any sort of franchise, is to look at their track record as far as how long they've been in operation for. Also to see if it's a service or a product that they feel passionate about. It's got to be something that they feel comfortable to do. And for us to be able to help people in a trade service that is high in demand at the moment is something that they need to be passionate about. And if they can do that with good ethics, then they're on the way. Our focus is always on about improving customer service and the performance and efficiencies of what we do. Through technology, we're able to improve on our back-end systems, having good relationships with our contractors and technology used there as well. But also then in just our approach to our customers, finding the most efficient way to do it, but also cost effective.